Hello everyone, welcome to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can add email in Facebook. So let's start. First of all, open Facebook and log into your account. Then after, go to your profile. Now go to edit profile. Then scroll below and go to edit your about info. Scroll below a little till you find contact info. Then tap on edit on the right side of contact info. Now go to manage contact info. When you tap on manage contact info, it will take you to a screen like this. Now in order to add a new email address, tap on add new contact. Then select add email address. Then after, enter the email address and tap on next. As you do that, the new email address will be successfully added to your Facebook account. So in this way, you can add an email in Facebook. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.